Can you cut a gel memory foam mattress? If you're considering customizing your gel memory foam mattress to fit a specific need, you might be wondering if it's even possible to cut it. Let's break down the details to help you make an informed decision. First, the good news is that yes, you can cut a gel memory foam mattress. This process is similar to cutting a traditional memory foam mattress. The gel memory foam contains gel beads or infusions that provide cooling properties, but these do not prevent you from cutting the foam. To cut your gel memory foam mattress, you'll need a few essential tools. A sharp, serrated bread knife or an electric carving knife works best for this task. Make sure to measure and mark the areas you want to cut carefully using a measuring tape and chalk or a washable marker. This precision is key to getting a clean cut. Once you've marked your cut lines, place the mattress on a flat surface and secure it if possible. Having another person help you hold it steady can be very helpful. Begin cutting along the marked lines, letting the knife do the work if you're using an electric one. Guide it gently to ensure even pressure and a steady cutting pace. After cutting, inspect the edges. If they seem rough or uneven, you can smooth them out with a light abrasive like sandpaper. This step ensures that your cut edges are smooth and comfortable to use. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. Cutting your mattress might void the manufacturer's warranty, so it's advisable to check with the manufacturer before making any alterations. Additionally, cutting can disrupt the even distribution of the cooling gel beads, which might affect the mattress's performance. In summary, cutting a gel memory foam mattress is feasible and can be done with the right tools and precautions. Just remember to measure carefully, use the right tools, and be aware of the potential risks involved. With these steps, you can customize your mattress to fit your exact needs.